if I want to grow more food, this has to go. This part of the garden used to work, but not anymore. I'm building a food system, and this setup is limiting in what I can grow. Right now my vegetable garden feeds me. While I'm building a food forest just a few minutes away, everything in here needs to be as efficient as possible. First, I will need to clear the space. So I put you on a time lapse and start removing all of the stuff that's behind me. So the side and this door already been removed, as you can see. So now I need to remove the roof. Then I will demolish the windows, and then we are creating some space here. So once again a time lapse, because otherwise it will be too long to make a video out of it. So a time lapse, and start removing, demolishing the roof. We had some problems. You can see it in the video, but when I was removing the roof of the shed, I came across 3 wasp houses. So I needed to be careful. It doesn't bother me. I just picked up the piece where the wasp house was, and I put it aside. So if you came across wasp, keep calm. Don't do stupid movements, because they can see you then. Just be patient, be calm, and 90% of the time they will do nothing to you, and they are also very beneficial in our garden, so I don't kill them. But as you can see, we did a lot, in my opinion. So we removed the roof, then the side walls, the window. It was very heavy, and I will also try to recover the glasses from the windows for my greenhouse. You will see later on in following episodes. But it was a heavy window. I called a friend to help me to remove it. Then we removed these concrete poles, one over there. But I already laid down, it was before we start demolishing the shed, but I already put a 90-degree foundation, so I've got a start to put the rest of the foundation. So, and then reclaiming these concrete poles, because when I need to remove them from the property, I can kill my back, so I can use it for a foundation, strong pole, so why not, huh? And even my compost system needs to move because everything needs to fit in a better flow. Also a time lapse from demolishing our compost system. This is where the greenhouse will be, and it will completely change how much food I can grow. With a greenhouse in that area, I can grow more food, start earlier and grow more consistently. This garden feeds me now. My food forest is still growing, so every upgrade here matters. This is just one step, but it's a big one for the system I'm building. In the next video, or in one of the next videos, building the greenhouse. For now, I would say happy gardening and see you in the next. Peace.